Sir, good morning. Am I audible to you, Mr. Bala?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Mr. Bala, yeah, welcome, sir.
How are you, sir?
Good morning. You are the first to enter. Thank you.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir? Had your breakfast?
Yeah, I finished. What about you?
Yes, just on the
Great.
way.
So there will be about another 4 or 5 members who are already in
Yeah,
the.
I'll keep it in mute for some time.
Yeah. Please, sir. Good morning, all. Am I audible to you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Very nice connecting with all of you. Shimohan Raj, welcome. Sri Ishwaran, welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Welcome, sir. After a long time, we are all meeting together. Good on time as per the schedule. First of all, welcome everyone once again. And the very purpose of joining here is to have a deep dive on a Sunday along with me on CPK and PPK. I'll come in front of the camera for a while and then welcome everyone. Generally, friends, there will be a lot of confusions between CPK versus PPK. Some people claim that short-term study is CPK, long-term is PPK.
Sir,
Some people,
sorry.
Okay.
Sir, your face is not fully visible, sir.
Not visible?
Slightly your camera is okay. Face. Yeah. Maybe slightly.
Thank you. Is it okay?
Some more. I think you have to slightly shift the angle of that particular laptop screen.
Sorry.
Your face is not fully visible. Only half is visible.
This direction is fine?
No, even up to nose only it is visible, sir.
Top to nose. Is that okay now? Or should I go back?
No, I think you have to come, either you have to come front or you have to change your laptop, slightly shift your laptop front shield, that you have towards you.
Okay. Then I should come a bit closer, I guess. Okay.
I think the height is required, sir.
The height need to adjust or need to adjust the.
Now
it's
better. Now it's fine.
Thank you. Very sorry for that.
Right,
Thanks for the clarity. So, friends, there are a lot of confusions prevailing in any industry for that reason. Let it be auto or non-auto. Okay. So, Mr. Ananta, who is another learner joined, okay, triggered me this point. This point echoed when I was doing an advanced HPC program for Rani Madras. Okay, the program's title was Advanced HPC, wherein individually people are able to do things, but collectively, sir, please put a full stop for this confusion between CPK and PPK, which made me to think this happened 6 months back. Okay, then I clarified them. They gave me a very good feedback. Anyway, that program was a particular program catered for Rani Madras, so we cannot publicize it, in the forums. So keeping that in mind, I was just waiting for an opportunity to give a clarity to many people in many parts of the world, rather. Okay. So then Mr. Ananta, who has done a program on not SPC or advanced SPC, rather on APKP PBAP control plan latest versions. He stopped me and then asked a question on the subject, difference between CPK and PPK. Then I decided this is the right time to step in. Then from the records, my person has said, sir, these are the people who have collectively done many programs, scored high marks. That's the background. Okay. So with this, I'll come out of the camera. Then we are dividing this particular deep dive into two parts. Okay. So one is on fundamental, other one deep dive. These are the profiles of our learners who have joined today. So Ananta triggered this point a week back. Then last week until I was engaged. So this Sunday is for you for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Mr. Gurudatta is DGM from TVS Electronics. Another very interesting and very serious learner. Okay. Mohan Raj is a cameo hero. Okay. Sometime, he'll be appearing along with me. Sometime, silent. Okay. Now, at least he's in Chennai.
Good morning, sir.
Cameo is a good comparison, right, Mohan? Now he is in Chennai. Hope, we join together. Very interesting thing about Ishwaran is that he is working in completely non-auto, but he shows a lot of interest on core tools. Okay. Bhaskaran is another learner from TVS, okay, who has completed many programs with us. Tyagarajan, all along he was in Malaysia for a sizable period of time. Now he has settled in Chennai, another serious learner. Mr. KVB, I can talk in volumes about him. He is in the capacity of DGM quality, corporate quality. He is working in Nilcast, okay, as head of quality. Yokesh. The very funny thing about my association with Yogesh is I went to TVS, okay, Sundram Fasteners many a times. None of the time I was able to meet Yogesh. But he heard about me, that started taking our video courses. Then he has become my close friend. Though we are not met so far, yes, he shows a lot of interest. Generally, I refer the profile of Yokesh to many companies. Though we are not met, I am very confident about. So all I mean to say, all are very unique learners. I would say the old man is only myself. Okay. So that's the reason I want to be today's moderator. Okay. So you may dominate. You may dominate. Okay. Good. Thank you. So part one, swift travel into the fundas, then into deep dive, CPK, PPK. Already the templates are shared with you. So this is my duty to give my respects to my gurus, Professor Ashi of Japan, an individual Deming Award winner, under whom I personally traveled not less than 7 years as a student. Okay. Then Mr. C. Ranganathan, ex-employee of Lucas TVS, head of R&D as well as quality, okay, who supported me a lot. Especially whenever I talk about, subjects like SP, FME and all, these two people will come to my mind, okay, as my gurus, mentors. Yes, into the subject now. Yes, sir. Can anyone of you read this, sir?
During any standard deviation related estimations.
Take care of RINSC. RINC. What is RINC, friends? Any idea? I stands for N, you can guess. N stands for what? No, no one talks. N stands for, N is simple. No. I triggered a question, NSC, and Mr. Bala asked me, I gave a clarity. So read only N.
N is for normality,
Normality.
stability, and capability.
Stability, capability. Good. So now we must demystify RI only. Randomness. R stands for randomness. Your samples should be reasonably randomly collected. Why, friends? Any idea why randomness is important?
Because it's it should
bias.
represent the population.
To avoid or at least reduce bias. Excellent, sir. Thank you.
Is it not to represent the population, sir?
Yeah. It should represent the entire population. Thereby, you can avoid or reduce bias. The very word randomness means simply here and there without any pattern. Am I communicating properly? Without any pattern. In DOE program mandal, I prove this randomness and no pattern in a different way. Okay. For today's purpose is sufficient. Any idea? I stands for independence. Independence means your number of samples should be generally less than or equal to 10%. This may be a little more interesting for you. For simple reason, if I am getting 30 samples, 30 as lot size. Generally, 3 numbers are sufficient. More, if I make 3 into 4 or 5, dependence on the samples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dependence on the sample will be more. That's why, they recommend for the independence. Clear? You get a fair idea?
Sir, is it number of samples greater than or equal to 10% or less than?
Less than or equal to 10%, sir.
Oh.
No, less than, sir. 10%. So assume that I am taking 50%. That means one sample will influence other sample. I put it this way. One sample will influence other sample. Thereby again there is a chance for getting into bias. Is interesting.
Oh, no, this is the totally different theory, because for example, if you have 100 samples, if I collect all the 100 samples, for example, it will represent the population. If instead of 100 samples, if I collect 50 samples, naturally it will be expressing more property about the population.
I
But
agree.
when it comes down close to about 10%,
Yeah.
will it represent the population? But I think further the first one is the answer. Randomness is an answer. Okay.
Exactly. 10% at random. Assume that there is a conference, conference by a person. Okay. Let it be the Prime Minister or Chief Minister or any actor entering into politics, whoever it is. Okay. So you go there and then take samples to whom you are going to vote. There is a chance for dependence. Agreed?
Yeah.
You should be at random.
No,
That means go to 3 different meetings or go to some neutral place wherein there is a public gathering, ask them for opinion. That opinion should not be more than 10%. Okay, let it be even 20% or 30%, but there is a likelihood of entering into dependence. One sample may influence the other sample. You know what
provided
is
the first condition, randomness is
most
satisfied.
important. Yes. Agreed.
Without randomness, I think this 10% is of no meaning. I think.
Agreed, sir. Perfectly all right, sir. So, if you are wanting to be away from the bias, okay, as far as possible, make it as 10%. Otherwise, one may influence. You know what is called mob psychology? There is a famous saying in HR. Okay, one person when becomes the second person, the mob psychology will come inside.
Yeah, people will blindly follow whatever
Exactly.
the pioneers are following or the front runners are following.
Exactly. Now, probably friends, you may understand why even exit polls, or going completely away from the reality. Okay, that is called mob psychology. I blindly follow, as Mr. Bola rightly put it, I will start following somebody blindly. He is telling to whom, he has voted. Then, okay, better I will also tell the same. That means influencing one person by the other person. Hope this is sufficient. N, as you guessed, normality. How to ensure normality, friends? Any idea? How to ensure normality? What are the ways?
Bell-shaped curve or
One tool is histogram. Famous tool, histogram. For histogram, how many samples are required? Ananta?
32.
50 samples.
50
50.
minimum.
Minimum 50.
Okay. Histogram should have at least 50 minimum samples. Okay. Then, as Mr. Bala said, you may expect a bell curve. Okay. Okay, sir, I'm getting a bell curve. That means normality is okay. No, sir, I am having only 20 samples. My N is equal to 20. What are you going to do, sir?
Box plot, sir.
Excellent, Ananda. I have no surprise that you are guessed. You may go for box plot, which will be looking like this, wherein you may expect this point as median, okay, median, X tilde, median, fairly at the center. Ananta, can you just answer? Box plot is a very good tool, or it has some deficiency in it, weaknesses in it?
Honestly, I don't know, sir. It is a good tool, but
Yeah, but it is not a very good tool. Why? Because you are taking your decision based on your visual judgment. So you cannot depend on box plot also at times. The third tool I'm introducing now, you may go with. Any idea? What is this tool?
Normality test.
normality test.
Excellent, Mohan. Thank you. So you may go with normal probability. Normal probability. This is also, the line is called best fit line. Okay, eye judgment, whether the points are more or less equally populated or distributed. Okay, normal probability. Right, again. For some of you, it may be new probability. But here the advantage is that you may go with the p-value. P-value, what is the target, sir? P-value should be greater than
0.0.
or equal to 0.05. That means 95% of the population will be or expected or ensured within the within what? Confidence intervals. One interval is here. Okay, confidence interval, upper side. I put lower side. Okay, confidence interval, upper side. Clear? Ne? Any idea, friends? Mohan immediately answered, I'm happy. For normal probability, Mohan, how many data points you may require minimum?
10, sir.
20. 25, sir.
That is too less. In my opinion, 20, sir.
20.
If you are using normal probability for correlation and all, 40 sets. Okay. The purpose here is simply, to understand the normality. Get a fair idea? So normality through 3 different tools. Then comes, as you rightly judged, stability. Which is the right tool for stability?
Histogram.
X bar, histogram already over, sir, normality. Stability, you can trust on X bar or XMR or X tilde are rarely used. X tilde or otherwise X bar.
Yes.
Yes. Good, sir. Many of you are answering. I'm very happy. Good. So stability can be ensured through either of these two 3, and 4. Finally, capability. This is where exactly the confusion started. 1.33, 1.67, CP, CPK, PP, PPK, everything. I stop here, friends. If you have any doubts, you may ask me. Are you okay?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, please, sir.
All starts with the random sampling because that is a point where everything is getting assembled.
Sorry,
So
all
to
starts with
random sampling or
random
randomness.
sampling.
That's if I don't take the right sampling, then all the other things, independence, normality,
Sir,
stability,
need not be,
capability.
sir. Need not be, sir.
Uh,
Actually, I'm telling you, at times, in non-random sampling may also give you a bias-free decision making. At times, I'm not saying always.
oh,
Scientifically, I agree with your point. These two are the fundas.
hmm.
Okay, I'm ensuring this. I'm
So
ensuring this.
if that is the case, sir, okay, either it's a non-random sampling or random sampling. Do we have any specific tool to pick up the random sampling or the randomness in the most appropriate way? Do we have any tool or any guidelines like that?
Sir, in my opinion, as long as the person is not inducing the bias, uh, you may take a chance, sir.
Mm-hmm.
This is something like
But
this. This is something like this,
but
sir.
the, but there is no specific tool for it, sir,
No, there
to
are different
facilitate.
methods, not tools, different methods.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Skipped samples, many methods, sir. If I am purposely selecting from here, I am inducing, I am likely to induce bias. That's why, Mr. Wala,
Okay.
I also said that at times, this itself may
Mm,
represent your entire population also.
mm,
Luckily.
okay.
That is the reason people say go with the randomness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, sir. Right, sir. We will go ahead, sir. Yes.
Thank you. So, sample standard deviation versus population standard deviation, SSD, PSD, sigma cap. So, strictly speaking, you should not call that as a sigma. It is sigma cap. Okay. One is the famous summation method. Best indicator for the variation, sigma cap. What is the formula, friends? Summation method formula?
R bar by
No,
D2.
square root of sigma x minus x bar
Summation
the whole
method.
square.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Square root of
Come.
sigma x minus x bar the whole square by n minus 1, sir.
Oh. Summation of xi minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1 whole root. Okay, summation method. I am much worried about Ananta's suppliers now. Because he's taking the entire supplier lot. Okay, now. This we will prove differently. This is called DYF, degrees of freedom. Sir, I organize the entire data, okay, totally 16. Actually, how many you may require, sir? You should require for summation method. N should be
32 or
21.
20.
32, sir.
21.
32, sir. Okay. Anyway, for calculation purpose, we restricted to 16. It should be 32. I perfectly agree with you. All x values. Then comes x bar. I'm making your job easier. See the matrix form. The entire formula is in the matrix form now. X minus x bar, difference between x minus x bar, between x and x bar. Okay, that means what, friends? So you are determining this as your x bar. From there, how each data points got distributed or populated. You are likely to get minus negative symbols. It carries no meaning. That is the reason if you want to, kill away the negative symbol, You are squaring. You are squaring. Then sum everything. I summed up everything. So far, okay, friends? Digestible?
Yes, sir.
Sigma cap. This sum is here divided by n minus 1. N is 16 here. N is equal to 16, 1, 6. Okay. So, what will be 15? Sir, since you have already squared it, finally you are square rooting it. Sigma square is 0.00051. This is called variance, not variation, variance. This is called sigma cap. So far, fine. Sigma cap, friends, a higher number is better or lower number is better? I get from one machine 0.032. Another machine, okay, this is machine 1. This is machine 2. Which is better, friends? 1 is better or 2 is better?
2 is better.
Why, sir?
Variance should be as minimal as possible.
Lesser variation means it's a good sign, as simple as.
Sir, it depends upon the tolerance level.
Sir, anyway, sir, I partially agree with you, actually. Okay, I don't fully agree with you. Always sigma value, lesser is better, sir. You may trust to that. Less variation. Variability, lesser is always good. Na? Tolerance is important only when you make the comparison with the tolerance, that is CP or CPK or PP or PPK. Japanese call this as sigma cap or sigma hat. How Americans call, friends? Any idea?
Yes.
Some people use small s also here. I want to be little careful. You can use small s also. There is one concept. I don't want to confuse you. LSS, Lean Six Sigma calls this as, again, yes only. So far, fine. Understandable? Any questions?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Always 32 minimum. Already we discussed. This is called RMS method. Root means square method. Otherwise, you can call this method, whatever we discussed so far, as summation method. Summation method. Population standard deviation, not SSD. It is PSD, population standard deviation. Again, through summation method. See the difference, sir? What is the difference here, friends? What is the difference here?
N minus 1, it is N.
Not only that, it is not small n, it is capital N.
Capital N.
Good, very good. Otherwise, the same, sir. This is also to indicate the variation. You can call this as sigma. Please see here. It is not sigma cap.
Sig.
Again, here, what should be your answer? Sorry, capital N.
10.
I don't know. Assume that I produced only 10 parts, sir. Your capital N is N, capital N is 10. I produced 20 parts. Your capital N is 20. Clear? For pre-launch samples, how many parts are produced generally? Pre-launch?
125.
Sir, pre-launch is generally capital N. I have to use the term capital N will be 32, sir. Ideally 32. Pre-launch. Okay. Please see here, sir. Same formula, only one application wise difference. It is straight away sigma now, not sigma cap. Please see here, I am using 10 as my capital N because I used only 10 samples. That's all, sir. This is variance. Are you able to understand the difference between PSD, SSD? Japanese,
Yes, sir.
Americans, population sigma. Americans call us population sigma. LSS, population sigma. Generally, friends, if you are estimating your sigma from the pre-launch samples, you can very well call that as sigma, not sigma cap, population standard deviation. Any questions? This is the difference, sir. Variance.
One doubt, sir.
Sure, sir.
So when we talk about population standard deviation,
Mm.
it means you don't know how many number of samples you produced,
Yeah,
but you have to take all the samples.
absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
It should not be called as sample. You should take the entire population.
Population, capital N. Oh,